Hello everyone. I just wanted to share something fun that I just did over morning coffee. Just never thought it would be possible due to my lack of coding skills, but since AI is here and AI agents are plenty, let me guide you through the process, or at least to show you what I did. Maybe you can ask me questions and see how I can help you figure out your workflow. But I came across this Git repo about Gemini full stack AI agent running LangChain. So I installed it on my computer and I'm running it locally. So here we go. I started off with this repo. I can post this link in the comments, but it essentially installs full stack, well, essentially a whole agent. So you can kind of see what the flow is here, from question to answer, and the deployment. Basically, here we go. If you have Docker, the only API keys that you need are for Gemini and also for LangSmith. So once everything is installed, this is the whole project. I created two bat files to start the back end and the front end, which are already running. So this is the back end, and this is the front end. And then once we're in, this is what the back end looks like. So you can kind of see what the whole flow is. You can mess with this, add stuff, change the routing, etc. And then front end is very simple. So here you type in your question and it will get you an answer. So I came up with something difficult just to test the reasoning. And you can kind of see it work. So let's see what happens. It's generating a query, so which is the first part of the process. It's doing web research. It's found 33 sources. It's going. Another 51 sources. Wow. Oh boy. And you can play with the effort level as well, which is kind of interesting. And also the model. I'm keeping this as Flash, so I don't use too many points here. Web research, web reflection. Okay. Now it's analyzing. It's going back and forth. There we go. Amazing, right? Core ethical challenge of priority, safety and liability. Ensuring the safety of all road users is the paramount ethical principle. There we go. And it links to, wow, there we go. So now this is just the beginning, right? We can go in here and change the graph, increase complexity, change the parameters, pass this off the final answer to another agent that can do other stuff. So I'll be playing around with this more since I've never opened this before in my life. It's going to take me a little bit to get to know it, but just out of the box, this is great, and it works. And I've also found out that you can also use LM Studio, and in a different way. You can't really substitute the whole Gemini backend because that is how this whole thing is made, and when you pull it off of the GitHub, but because there are some open API points, you can endpoints, you can pipe in LM Studio or Olama LLMs and use them in a way. I'm not really quite sure yet how, but I think you can augment the Gemini with the local LLMs. I'll be experimenting on that, and I'll let you guys know how it works out. So, but yeah, that's all I got for now. Thanks. Bye.